All right, we're going to go over the Unit 1 question. A local pizza place only delivers large pizzas. They charge $4 to deliver and $12 per pizza. For example, two pizzas cost $4 plus 12 times 2, which all equals 28. The table shows summary statistics for the past month. Fill in the table to find out the cost of the delivery orders. So what we're looking for here is understand that this set of numbers here, there's what's called position numbers and spread numbers. So things like the standard deviation and the IQR, those two things are called spread numbers. Okay, and with spread numbers, you only do what's called change the scale. So, um, whoops, scale. You're only going to do the scale. Sorry for the handwriting. Let's redo that. Scale. Okay, so that means for our two spread numbers, you take the amount that is being multiplied, the 12, and multiply that to the number of pizzas. Okay, now for the other numbers, like the mean and the median, those are like the middle numbers. Okay, minimum is the first number, maximum is the last number, and your quartiles are like the medians of the first half and median of the second half. Those all talk about the position, not the spread of your numbers. So position numbers, they get scaled, but you also do what's called a shift. So I would say for my, this is going to be a shift plus the scale. So it's both of those. So for example, it would be like this one, right? It's the $4 plus the $12 times the number of pizzas. So I'm going to go ahead. Let's do the standard deviation and IQR. Our IQR is your quartile 3. Take away quartile 1. So 3 minus 2 would be just 1. And yeah, let's do standard deviation, which is just going to be multiplied by 12. So I'll say 12 times 0.36, and I get $4.32. That's my standard deviation of the cost of the orders. And then 1 times 12, that'll just be $12. And so the IQR, so when we calculate the third quartile and the first quartile, their difference should be 12. All right, so the mean, we're going to multiply by 12 and then add by 4. $26.56 was the average cost of all the orders. The minimum would be 12 plus 4 is 16. 2 times 12 is 24, plus the 4 is 28. The median, okay, will be the same number. Look at that, it's even the same number there. 3. 3 times 12 is 36, plus 4 is 40. And now 12 times 12, right, that's 144, plus the 4 is 148. So that means the most expensive order was $148. And then let's see, that makes sense. IQR quartile 3 minus 1 would be 40 minus 28. Yep, that's 12. Okay, so that makes sense. So that's all you need to do for Unit 1 question is to understand which ones follow this formula. And that's called a shift and a scale. So make sure you're doing the multiplication part first and then add 4. However, with the standard deviation and with the IQR, those are called spread numbers, and the spread numbers are not position numbers. They don't get shifted. It's just multiplied by the scale, whatever that might be. Okay? Hopefully that helps out for Unit 1 question.